Welcome to aminacademy.com. In circular motion, let us do some solving problems. Look at this example. A 20 kg child sitting in a cart to which a 2-meter rope is attached. The rope is tied to a motor that revolves the cart. At the instant, the tension in the rope is 100 Newton. How many revolutions per minute does the cart make? Here, the given thing is mass of the child 20, that is 20 kg, radius is 2 meter, and the rope tied rotates the cart. At the instant, the tension in the rope, this is a Newton, force is given, then we have to find the number of revolutions. Look at this problem. Here, first, we know that V equal, that is velocity equal square root of r into Fcy mass m equal, then square root of radius is 2 meter, tension in the rope is 100 Newton divided by mass of the child is 20 kg, which is equal 3.162 meter per second. But you have to find revolution per minute. That is, we know that omega equal V by R. So velocity is 3.162 over radius is 2 meter, which is equal 2.236 revolution per second. Here, how many revolution per second? We have to find revolution per minute equal 2 into 236 into 60. So, we have to calculate 2.236 into 60, 134.16 equal 134.16 RPM, revolution per minute. Next question. A radially inward constant force 300 Newton is exerted on a 2 kg ball as it revolves around a circle of radius 85 centimeter. What is the linear speed of the ball? Now, first we find velocity V equal square root of R Fc over mass. Then we have to calculate this first. 0.85, radius is 0.85 because 85 centimeter is 0.85 meter into Fc, that inward force 300 over mass is 2 kg. Here is 11.3 meter per second. 11.3 meter per second. What is the linear speed we found? This is 11.3 meter per second. Next question. A 35 kg child makes a turn which is a portion of a circle with a radius of 12 meter. She covers 1/4 of the circular path in 1.6 seconds. Determine the speed, acceleration and net force applied to the child. Here, length she covers is 1/4 of circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. That is 1/4 of 2 pi r. Then we can write it which is pi r. because this to uncut length. Now speed, linear speed is V equal length by time. Length is pi r by time is 1.6, which is equal 3.142 into radius meters. Radius is 12 meter. 1.2 into 12 divide 1.6 equal 23.565 meter per second. Now then we found that determine the speed. Acceleration is v squared by r squared by r. So v is 23.565 pi over the radius is 12. So we have 23.565 into 23.565 divided by 12, which is equal 46.275. 46.275 meter per second square. Now we calculate the net force. Net force F net equal mass into acceleration. Here the mass of the child is 35. Acceleration is 46.275 equal 35 equal 35 into 46.275 equal 1619 equal 1619.625 Newton. Next question. A ball of mass 2 kg is attached to a rope having braking strength of 1500 Newton and is wheeled around a horizontal circle with a radius of 85 centimeter. Calculate the maximum speed that ball can have. Here next question. First, VC velocity is square root of R FC over mass equal 0.85 meter because 85 centimeter into 1500. Maximum force, that is tensile strength, breaking the rope is that force here, into mass is 2 kg, which gives 25.29 meter per second. Then we need omega equal to V by R. Angular speed omega equal V by R, 25.29 over radius is 0.85, which is equal 25.29 is 0.85 equal 25.29 divided by 0.85 equal 29.75 radian per second. Next question, the speed of 515 kg, 515 kg roller coaster at the bottom of the loop of radius 10 meter is 20 meter per second. Find the net vertical force pushing up on the object at this point of the circular path. Here speed is given v and radius is given. Speed and radius is given. Find the net vertical force pushing up the object at this point of the circular path. Here we know that Fc, centripetal force, minus mg means mass and weight, that is force minus weight equal mv squared by r. From this, Fc mg plus mv squared by r equal, we'll put that values. M is 515 into 9.8 plus 515 into v. Velocity is 20 meter per second, that is 20 square over r. Radius is 10. Let us calculate this first. First part, that is 515 into 9.8 equal 5047 plus the second part 515 into 20 square is 400 divided by 10 equal 20,600, 20,600, both add up plus that is 5047 plus 20600 equal 25647. Newton. So we have done all problems. Look at this. The first one, here v equal root of RFC by m. Using that we calculate meter per second the velocity. From that omega, omega is circular speed, we found v by r. Next question, v equal to RFC by m using directly. Next here, this portion of the circle, quarter circle is here. This is not a 1/4 circle. We need a 1/4 circle. We put, it's not 1/4 circle, 1/2 circle it is, because 1/4 it is. Here we consider before 1/4, but here she covers 1/2 of the circle. 1/2 of the circle is half into 2 pi r. Before it did, probably we did 1/4 circle. Here it's 1/2 circle. That is L equal to half 2 pi r, that is pi r. Now from that we found speed. Speed is distance by time. We use this pi r by T we found. From that acceleration found, that is v square by r. Then further we have F net means net force is MA. Next here the same V is equal to square root of Fc by m. From that omega we found V by r radian per second. Look at this question. Here the speed of the 515 kg roller coaster, bottom of the loop of radius 10 meter is 20 meter per second. That is velocity and the distance is done. Find the net vertical force pushing up the object, this point of the circular force Fc, because this is net centripetal force minus the weight equal to mv squared by r. Then your Fc equal mg plus mv squared by r. Here net vertical force pushing up the object, that means here Fc minus mg. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.